Psalms 20, a Psalm of David. May the Lord answer you when you are in trouble. May the God of Jacob make you secure. May He send you help from His temple. From Zion may He give you support. May He take notice of your offerings. May He accept your burnt sacrifice. May He grant your heart's desire. May He bring all your plans to pass. Then we will shout for joy over your victory. We will rejoice in the name of our God. May the Lord grant all your requests. Now I'm sure that the Lord will deliver His chosen king. He will intervene for him from His holy heavenly temple and display His mighty ability to deliver. Some trust in chariots and others in horses, but we depend on the Lord our God. They will fall down, but we will stand firm. The Lord will deliver the king. He will answer us when we call to Him for help.